Hey everyone, today we are doing another magical movie menu. This time we are making a menu for Ratatouille. Of course, we love the movie, but the dish Ratatouille is just so light and summery, I thought it would be perfect to make right now. So for our menu today, we have Emil's popcorn pile, Remy's Ratatouille, Garlicky Cheesy Linguine in honor of the character, Colette's chocolate Eclairs, and not pictured here, Anton Ego's sparkling juice. I would definitely serve some sort of sparkling cider or grape juice with this meal. So let's go get started. So for Emil's popcorn pile, I have 1 bag of popcorn popped, and I'm just drizzling over a half a cup of melted white chocolate. Mixing that around, and then I'm adding in 1 cup of freeze-dried strawberries. I'll be honest, I don't know what possessed me to come up with this combination, but I'm really glad I did. It is so good. It's salty and super sweet from that white chocolate and the tangy strawberries. It just kind of reminded me of like the melty brie cheese and strawberries that they're eating in the beginning. I don't know. Definitely something I'll be making time and time again. So moving on to our ratatouille, I have 1 yellow squash, 1 small eggplant, 1 zucchini, and 1 red bell pepper, and we are just going to thinly slice all of these. Now, my mandolin broke a couple of months ago, and I had completely forgotten about it until I went to go make this dish, so I am cutting it all by hand. You can absolutely do that, but just try to make them as even as you possibly can so that they all cook at the same time. I also have 1 large gold potato that I thinly sliced, and I placed it in boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes just to soften the potato up a little bit. Okay, now that all those veggies are cut, I have a large round casserole dish, and I have 2 cups of our favorite marinara sauce in the bottom, and then I'm just adding in 2 cloves of garlic minced, some fresh thyme, about a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm just going to lightly mix that together, and then we are going to start layering our vegetables. So I like to take a thin slice of each of the vegetables and kind of make a pile in my hand first, and then we lay it in the dish starting from the outer edge, and we're just going to keep going and piling them around in a little spiral. And there we have it, we're all done. So we're going to drizzle a little more olive oil on top, along with some salt and pepper, and a little bit more fresh thyme. And then we want to cover it in aluminum foil, and it bakes in the oven at 375 degrees for about 55 to 60 minutes. Now moving on to our cheesy garlicky linguine. This is a super simple pasta dish, and everybody loves it. It's really a crowd pleaser, and it also pairs really well with the tomato sauce in the ratatouille itself. So I have 4 tablespoons of butter that I'm melting in a pan, and I'm adding in 2 cloves of garlic minced, and we're just going to cook that for a minute. And then I'm adding in some salt and pepper. I'd say about a half a teaspoon of each. And now I have 8 ounces of linguine boiling over in my pot, and when it's done, I'm just going to pull it over and use tongs to get the pasta right out of the pot. I'm not going to drain it because that pasta water will really help thicken our sauce. And then we are going to add in 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese and 1 tablespoon of parsley. And then our pasta is ready to serve. And there you have it, our Ratatouille magical movie menu. Now for Colette's chocolate eclairs, I just found some little ones in the bakery section of my grocery store. I have made them in the past, so I will link a recipe down below if you want to try making them yourself. And as I said, we also served Anton Ego's sparkling grape juice with this meal, and it was a little fun addition. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I am having such a fun time doing these magical movie menus, and if you have one that you'd like to see me make, please let me know. There's just so many good movies, it's hard to choose which one to do next. If you did like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, as it really does help support my channel, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!